Hey everybody, let's be honest, how many of us feel like we're running on a hamster wheel? You're going through the motions but not really getting anywhere. Life can feel overwhelming, right? You've got goals, dreams, but somewhere between the chaos of daily life and that pesky voice of self-doubt, it feels impossible to make real progress. But what if I told you the secret to unlocking your best self is simpler than you think? It's not about some massive life overhaul, it's about harnessing the power of consistency. That's right, consistency is the magic ingredient. It's the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. So buckle up, because in this video we're diving deep into 5 simple habits you can implement right now to unlock your full potential. We're starting with the foundation, your physical health. And no, I don't mean training for a marathon. Just commit to moving your body every single day. Even if it's 15 minutes. A brisk walk, a quick online yoga class, dancing around your living room like nobody's watching. Whatever gets you moving. You might be thinking, Mel, I'm swamped, where will I find the time? I hear you. But here's the thing, you don't find time, you make time for the things that matter. And trust me, taking care of your body is non-negotiable. Because when you prioritize your physical health, everything else falls into place. You'll have more energy, think more clearly, and feel more capable of tackling whatever life throws your way. Next up, we're feeding our minds. Think of your brain as a muscle. The more you work it out, the stronger it gets. And there's no better workout than reading. Now, before you roll your eyes and say you're not a reader, hear me out. This isn't about finishing War and Peace in a week. Start with just 30 minutes a day. Find a genre you love. Thrillers, biographies, self-help, whatever lights you up, and dive into a new world. You'll be amazed by how much knowledge you absorb, how your vocabulary expands, and how much more confident you become in expressing yourself. Chapter 3. Fuel your fire. Morning breakfast without skipping. I know mornings can be rough, but trust me, starting your day with a nourishing breakfast is like giving your body and mind a VIP backstage pass to success. Think about it. When you fuel your body with healthy foods first thing in the morning, you're setting yourself up for a win. Your energy levels stay stable, your focus sharpens, and you're less likely to make impulsive food choices later in the day. No more mid-morning energy crashes, no more brain fog. Just sustained energy and laser focus to power through your day. Chapter 4. Plant seeds for the future. Monthly savings or investing. Okay, let's talk about your future self for a minute. The one who's living the life you dream of. You know, the one who travels the world, pursues their passions, and doesn't stress about money? Here's the secret sauce. Consistent saving and investing. It doesn't have to be a huge amount. Even setting aside a small amount each month adds up over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest. Think of it as planting seeds for your future. The sooner you start, the more time those seeds have to grow into a beautiful, abundant garden of financial freedom. Chapter 5. Become unstoppable daily skill learning. Here's the thing about the world today. It's constantly changing. New industries are emerging, new technologies are being developed, and the only way to stay ahead of the curve is to become a lifelong learner. Pick a skill you've always wanted to master. Coding, photography, writing, anything that excites you. And commit to learning something new about it every single day. Even if it's just for 15 minutes. Watch a tutorial, read an article, practice for 5 minutes. Consistency is key. Remember, you don't have to be perfect, you just have to keep showing up. That's it. 5 simple habits that, when practiced consistently, have the power to transform your life. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about showing up for yourself, day after day, even when you don't feel like it. Because the truth is, success isn't a destination, it's a journey. It's about the small, consistent actions you take every single day that compound over time and create extraordinary results. So, are you ready to unlock your best self? Start today. Choose one of these habits and commit to it for the next 30 days. I promise you, you won't regret it.